Today we are going to practice 60 English sentences shadowing practice for A1 and B2 level English learner. First, 30 sentences easy ones first, then 30 harder sentences. Same pattern, then harder. Every sentence I will say 2 times. You repeat after each one. Some sentences I will explain in very simple English. This is called shadowing. You listen, then you speak. Same words, same speed. This is the fastest way to speak English. And listen carefully. If a sentence is hard for you, don't worry. I will explain it in easy English. I will tell you the tenses too. Is it past, present, or future? So you will not just repeat. You will also understand. Stay with me till the end. Your speaking will become smooth today. Get ready? Let's begin. Let's start with easy sentences. Listen first, then repeat. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Repeat. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What is your name? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What do you do? What do you do? I work in an office. Repeat. I work in an office. What time do you start work? What time do you start work? I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's stop here for a second. Let's go is a short way to say let us go. We use it to suggest something together. Now let's continue. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live near the market. I live near the market. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies. This sentence has a special word, like to do. It means you enjoy something. For example, I like to read books. Okay, let's continue. Call me when you are free. Repeat. Call me when you are free. I will call you tonight. I will call you tonight. This sentence is about the future. I will call you. This means it will happen later. Later tonight. Now let's go on. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? No, I am free today. No, I am free today. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Of course, I can help you. Of course, I can help you. Can shows ability. It means, are you able to do something? Let's continue. This task is due tomorrow. This task is due tomorrow. Don't worry, we will finish it on time. Don't worry, we will finish it on time. Great job on the presentation. Great job on the presentation. Thank you, I worked hard on it. Thank you, I worked hard on it. This sentence is in the past tense. I worked hard, it already happened. It is finished. Let's go on. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Good idea. I need some coffee. Good idea. I need some coffee. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Great job. You finished the easy section. Now it's time for harder sentences. A little more advanced. Let's go. Great job staying with me. Now let's go to harder sentences. The sentences are longer now. Listen carefully, then repeat. I haven't seen you in a long time. Repeat. I haven't seen you in a long time. Life has been really busy lately. Life has been really busy lately. I was thinking about you yesterday. I was thinking about you yesterday. This is past continuous tense. I was thinking. It means the action was happening at that time. Yesterday, in your mind, you were thinking of someone. Let's go on. We should catch up probably soon. We should catch up probably soon. Catch up is a useful phrase. It means to meet and share news. You ask, what happened in your life? Okay, let's continue. If you are free this weekend, let's hang out. Repeat. If you are free this weekend, let's hang out. This sentence has if. It is a condition. If something is true, then something else happens. If you are free, then we meet. I will check my schedule and let me know. I will check my schedule and let me know. By the way, have you finished that project? By the way, have you finished that project? Not yet, but I am almost done with it. Not yet, but I am almost done with it. You have always been someone I can trust. You have always been someone I can trust. This is present perfect again. You have always been. It means from the past until now. This is always true. Let's continue. Remember when you used to meet every evening? Remember when you used to meet every evening? Used to talk about old habits, something you did regularly in the past, but not now. We used to meet. Now we don't. Let's go on. Those were such good time, honestly. Those were such good time, honestly. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. Good. This is present perfect continuous tense. I have been working. It means the action started in the past and it's still continuing. You started 2 weeks ago. You are still working now. Let's continue. That's a long time, but it is going well. That's a long time, but it is going well. If the client approves this, we can move forward. If the client approves this, we can move forward. By the time you arrive, the meeting will have started. By the time you arrive, the meeting will have started. This is future perfect tense. Will have started. It means one action finished before another action. The meeting starts first, you arrive after. Let's continue. Don't worry, I will leave early today. Don't worry, I will leave early today. We should have finished this last week. We should have finished this last week. Great. This shows regret about the past. Should have finished. It means it didn't happen, but it was expected to happen. Let's go on. The deadline has been moved to Friday. The deadline has been moved to Friday. This is passive voice. Has been moved. The subject receives the action instead of going it. Someone moved the deadline. We don't say who. Let's continue. Okay, that gives us a little more time. Okay, that gives us a little more time. Great. Even though the budget is tight, we must deliver quality work. Repeat. Even though the budget is tight, we must deliver quality work. Good. I agree. Quality always comes first. Repeat. I agree. Quality always comes first. Great. This client is known for being very difficult to please. Good. No matter what happens, our friendship stays strong. Repeat. No matter what happens, our friendship stays strong. Excellent work. You just finished all 60 sentences. That is a huge achievement. Listen again tomorrow. Pick 5 hard sentences. Say them 5 times a day. Record your voice. Compare it to mine. Don't rush. Small steps make a big results. We practiced easy sentences, then harder sentences. Friends and work. Daily life, you don't need big words. You need practice. Keep shadowing up. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.